everyone, and welcome back to my lovely channel of awesomeness. I haven't really posted much in a while, but I got a few things that I wanted to post about, and we'll see how it goes. And yes, I do still have my lovely Louis Vuitton that I got for myself when I got out of the Navy. She's still fabulous and glorious. But this video isn't about her. So this is about teacups and teapots from Tenmokus. Now, I call it 10 monks, but that's me. So anyway, and I'm probably pronouncing it wrong anyway, but these are all handmade. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to get one. You know, why not? It's cute, adorable, fabulous. I can get, 4 payments and all that. So first one we're going to look at is going to be the teacup. And if you watch the videos, they have so many videos on YouTube that it's just amazing of how they do this. And it's beautiful glazed craftsmanship. Now I got this one. This one is the peacock with the lotus in the center. And let's just kind of look at this. And this is their steps for actually making this guy. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And since I have 2 items, each box comes with the exact same thing. So, but that's so pretty. Like I just can't even describe it. It's just really, really nice. And then it tells you a little bit about them. So if you want to pause that and read it, you can. And then there's their website. Alright, so now let's open this guy. Now, first of all, this is like soft padding. I mean, this is nice. This is like a canvas type of wrapping around the box. Nothing cheap about this at all. It's got the cushion in there, but it's got that soft fabric in there. And look at that. Just nestled in there, all nice and cute and adorable. Comfy cozy. And wrapped in some heat sealed. So there's their mark right there. Here, we'll get a better view of that. And there is their maker's mark. Could be upside down. I don't know. I don't write Japanese. But anyway, it's very lovely. So I'm going to take this off over here. And right now I'm listening to a witchy fireplace ambiance. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. And that is placed in the center. It's very lovely. Look at the outside. So pretty. So pretty. Very dark and light. It's like blue flames, you know? I absolutely love this. So tomorrow I'm going to have a cup of tea, and this is going to be the teacup that I use. But she's so pretty. So, so pretty. Well, I don't know. I'll have to see what that's made out of before I do that. Maybe not drink over. You're supposed to be able to drink out of her anyway. Alright, so we're going to bring her back in here. Alright, now, of course, you got to have a teapot with a teacup. And that is where this guy comes in at. So I'm going to come over here. Again, same beautiful padding. Did that show my address in there? It didn't. Okay, so yeah. So the teacup is called the Golden Peacock Silver Blossom. And this is called the Palm Teapot. And the cup was actually on sale for $34.99, so that was awesome. And the teapot was not on sale, but she was $79.99. Now, am I going to buy more stuff from them? Probably not. This is more of like a one-time thing, not really my budget of being able to afford to collect, like be a serious collector, but look at that. They even have bubble wrap and everything for this guy. Ooh, so pretty. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take the bubble wrap off over here because no one needs to see that. Alright. So this teapot is very cute. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous, and goes really well with the teacup that I got. I believe this is either a plastic bead or is carnelian. Plastic bead. Yeah, definitely plastic bead. Oh, well, you know. Very pretty. Very pretty. Alright. It's kind of like, looks kind of like a, it's got a face in there. Right there. See that? That blue flames in there. Absolutely gorgeous. And then, this keeps the teapot lid from going anywhere. So you just set them down, get your tea, all that stuff, put them back in there. Look at that. Very pretty. Very beautiful craftsmanship. Just a nice black glaze in there. Nothing fancy. But I like it. I think it's going to go great on this table. So I'm going to have my little teapot and teacup on here. Alright. So that is Tenmokus. And I am very happy with my purchase. This is, for me, a one-time purchase, but, you know, who knows? Maybe there's some people out there that would love to have some other collector's editions on these guys. It said that when you drink tea out of it, it's supposed to make the tea taste better. I don't know, but we'll try it. Anyway, go forth, live your best lives, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye!